All right, I'm going to try this calculation because I see it's still not working for you. So here's what happens on my calculator. I want to take P, which is 0.382, times 1 minus 0.382, and I'm going to hit enter. And then I want to divide that by n, and note that I told you 30,000. I don't know what was happening. That's the population. You divide by the sample size. I apologize. So I divide by 500, enter, and I get this weird answer, but I want to take the square root of that. So I'm going to hit second and the x squared button. That gets the square root symbol there. And then I'm going to hit second and this button down here with the little minus above it, it's going to put the previous answer in there. Enter. And so then I do get the 0.022 as the standard deviation. Try that and let me know if it works for you.